Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about a new category called operators. The operator blocks are all the maths blocks. Let's see the first one. This is the plus block. We can write two numbers here. So I will write 3 and 5. When I click on this block, it will say the answer. It is 8. This one is the minus block. If I put two numbers like 6 and 4, the answer will be 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. This is the multiplication block. For the computer, the multiplication sign is this one. This. I will write two numbers like 3 and 6. 3 into 6 is 18 and it tells the answer which is 18. Next block is the division block. I will divide 10 by 2. The answer should be 5, and when I click on it, the answer is 5. If we put a number which is not divisible, like 3, it will tell the answer in decimals. The next is pick random 1 to 10. Let's go to the looks category and say hello block. Pick random 1 to 10 inside this. So it will say a number from 1 to 10, any random number for 2 seconds. It says 10. When I again click on it, 3, 1, 10 again, 10 again, 7. So as you can see, they are random numbers. Now the next block is the bigger than block. If I put in a value like 56 bigger than 23, when I click on it, it says true or false. In this case, it is true. 56 is bigger than 23. But if I put 122 here, it will say false because it is not. The next one is the lower than block. So if I write 2 here, 2 is lower than 50. So it will say true. But 100 is not lower. It is bigger than 50. So it will say false. This one is equal to block. If I write 50 here, 50 is equal to 50. That's true. When I click on it, it says true. And 49.99999. If I make it really close to 50, it won't say true. It will say false. That's true with any number. Next is the AND block. Let's go to events. When green flag is clicked, if key space is pressed and put this in the AND block. If key space is pressed and mouse down. So if I press the space key, and my mouse is down, it will do something. Let's put this in a forever loop. So it will check forever. Let's make it turn 15 degrees. Change it to 3 and I'm pressing the space key. When my mouse is also down, the cat turns. Next is the OR block. It does the same thing but checks if this is happening or that is happening. This one is not. It just checks if that is not happening. If key space is not pressed, let me press the space key. It says false because I'm pressing the space key. And now when I release it, it says true. Next one is join apple and banana. We can change this text if we want. So let's go to looks and say join apple and banana. Let's go to the sensing and scroll down and you see this username block. It picks the username up. We will write in the first one hi and in the second one username. I'm not logged in so it doesn't say anything. Let's see when I'm logged in what does it say. Now I'm logged in. Let's see what the cat says. It says hi and then my username. This is letter 1 of apple. You can change this to anything. And you can change the number of the letter. So letter 5 or of SDFGH is GH is H. Letter 1 is S. It says that. Next one is if apple contains A. Let's put another thing like hello. Does it contain A? No. So it should say false. Yes, it says false. And if I write apple, it is true. If I make a capital A, there is no change. It will remain the same. It doesn't matter if they are lowercase or uppercase letters. The next one is mod. So if I write 36 here and 11 here, it tells the mod which is 3. The next is the round block. It just rounds off the decimal. Like if I write 981.49, it will round it off to 981. And if I write 50, it will round it off to 982. Next is the abs of block. If I write 34.244, it will tell me the apps. It does not change because it is not a negative value. If I write anything negative, it will change it to positive. There are many other things in here. One is the ceiling. The ceiling of 23 is 24. So it tells 24. Ceiling of 23 and any decimal is 24. And another is floor. So the floor of 45.926348 is 45. And it tells the answer, which is 45. So this is really useful to calculate if these numbers are even or odd. We go to control and if, then else. Ceiling of any number is equal to, if the ceiling of a number divided by 2 is equal to the number divided by 2, then say even. Else say odd. So if I write a number here, let me write an even number like 42 and same here 42. It says even. And if I write an odd number like 33 and here 33, it says odd. In the next video, we will be learning how to make variables and all about lists. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe.